Welcome to our guide on how to access basic business reports in Docyt. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account. Go to the main menu and click on Business Reports. Then, select the option for Business Reports and choose the Basic option. Once you access the Business Report section, you can choose between viewing profit and loss statements or the balance sheet. Clicking on Profit and Loss to access the detailed P&L statement. You also have the option to export the reports in PDF or Excel format. Click on the ellipsis icon and select the desired format from the available options. A notification will appear, indicating that the report can be downloaded from the Data Export section of Docyt. To download the report, navigate to the Data Export section by clicking the Data Export link in the notification. Click the ellipsis menu on the Data Export page and select the Download option. And there you have it. You have now learned how to access basic business reports in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.